So right now over here is the ferry. It's actually five levels, and the bottom bottom three levels is for cars. That's how big it is. And then we're going to cross. Oh, we're already moving right now. And we're gonna go and cross over there to the mountain. This is an active volcano. It's an active volcano, and it's, I think, 86 in the number 86 from the most recently being like active. And you can see there's still some smoke here. So right now having deep fried cod, oh, and then in here is a miso soup, and then here is rice, and then there's deep fried fish cakes, and this is a pork bowl, pork in ramen in a pork broth. So right now this is the active volcano, and we're gonna go closer. So apparently you'll smell the sulfur monoxide or sulfur dioxide. I can't remember what is the actual gas name. It's sulfur something. So it's gonna smell a bit eggy. So right now we're at the peak over here, and we're walking like this area, the park. And these steps, it's slippery, not because it's wet, but because there's ash. Because it is an active volcano, so the smoke is like the ash from the smoke. So this is from the lava point to view the volcano. The volcano is called, let me have a look at the thing. I forgot what it's called. It's called, I do not know. I do not know. Oh right, there it is. This is the name. Sakurajima Kinko-wan, I think that's the name of the volcano. So if you can see, it's actually still spurring out smoke. So in this area it smells of sulfur a little bit. And then here is the what you call it, the Molvik Pearl that's flying right now. So this is the sea view from the volcano. Oh, it's burning out a lot right now. So this is the view. It's such a nice day, clear skies, it's blue, and a little bit of wind. And over here there's like little, like the crows are like just like making so much noise, like right over here. I feel like he's laughing at me. So we're in our second hotel, and this is the room 747. And then this is the room. You have the wardrobe here with no light, and then oh, this one has a fridge. Last one has a fridge too. And then this one is the toilet. Oh, oh, the toilet like this. And then two beds, TV, and then this is the view. This time we got back, and you can see a view. So this hotel is actually on top of a hill or mountain, or whatever you want to call it, and that's literally the whole hotel. And over there is the golf course.